South Asian Canadian channel.
Hi, this is Priyanka Chopra and you're watching Channel Y.
The biggest South Asian media group, Y Media. Y Media has newspaper, midweek, radio, South Asian Pulse.
Hi, I'm Amitabh Bachchan and you're listening to South Asian Pulse.
Hi, this is Amir Khan and you're listening to South Asian Pulse.
अब हर दिन सुने GTA का नंबर 1 रेडियो स्टेशन FM 91.9 दोपहर 12 से शाम 6 बजे तक.
Television. You are watching Channel Y. Channel Y.
Prime Minister, welcome.
It's a pleasure to be back.
Online, SouthAsianDaily.com. The biggest South Asian media group, Y Media.
This part of the program is brought to you by Midweek Newspaper, published every Tuesday.
Salam, Adab, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal to our audience all across the world. And very warm welcome to our respectable guests from Danish Home, Danish Chaudhary and Rizwan Sadiq. Thank you so much for taking out of your precious time.
Thank you very much, Sohail sir.
Welcome. As we discussed last time, that customer service is the stepping stone of any buying process. What do you think that how important is client services in the eyes of Danish Homes?
Thank you very much, Sohail sir. And again, I'm thankful to Y Media Group, which is one of the leading media groups in GTA and representing all the communities. And I say salam, namaste and adab and peace and blessings be all of you who are listening to us on this new episode of Real Estate Cafe by Danish Homes. So we will try to be brief and present our point of view in this precise manner. So as you have questioned that what is the value of client service in real estate, and my answer is very to the point that this business is a service-based business, and client service before sale and after sale is very important, and everything is revolving around that client service. So by the grace of God, we have been in the industry for about 10 years now. We have done hundreds of transactions. So we have hundreds of testimonials that how we walked our clients through from the scratch where they started, whether their first home with the minimal down payment of 5% or something, and on the other side we have done the transactions where millions of dollars transaction was involved, and we tried to make those transactions as smooth as possible through the client service we provided working in a team environment. I will just give you a few brief examples that a layman who comes to a real estate system or a real estate individual, he has many expectations in his mind and he or she does not know much about the process. So this is our job, that we honestly brief them about the process, that how they have to be involved throughout their process of buying or selling the home, and what steps are involved. There are 10 to 15 steps involved in buying or selling a home. So most of them, when they come to real estate people, they are depending mostly on us, that we will coordinate with the lawyers, we will coordinate with the home inspectors, we will coordinate with the construction team, we will coordinate with the mortgage people, how to get them the best rate available in the market. And then if we consider the home itself, that what kind of house they are looking for, what is the neighborhood they need the house in, what is their budget, how to balance all those factors. And this looks simple on papers, but actually this is one of the toughest process, because buying or selling a home is one of the biggest transaction a person is doing in his lifespan. So his expectations, his gap with the reality, we have to bridge that gap with our professionalism, with our sincerity and knowledge. So last 10 years we have proven system that we tried to help our clients in those times. Maybe that was for weeks, for months, or for a few days. We have been with them, and by the grace of God we have been very successful in most of our transactions, and our list to sold ratio is over 95%. So that is also a testimonial that that is way higher than the industry standard. And also the houses which we have sold, they were sold above the market average in that neighborhood. So and after that, whatever even a minor or bigger questions our clients had, we tried to answer them in a very courteous, polite manner and with patience, so those issues are addressed properly and our clients are happy at the end of the day, and we want to see the smile on our clients' faces. That's the motto, that's the goal of Danish Homes.
Great. Great work done by Danish Homes so far, as the number speaks by itself. Danish Homes have already played a very important and vital role in corporate social responsibilities. Danish Homes always remained at the front in different social activities like investment in sick kids or humanity first. And one of the segment is DH Rewards. What would you like to say about it?
Thank you, Suhail sir, for asking this question. Before I come to that platform of referrals, I will just like to share few numbers for our clients' knowledge and confidence, that when they come to us, they exactly know who they are dealing with, and I want to give them this confidence that they are in safe hands, and they are dealing with sincere and knowledgeable people who will take care of them, who will not let them down at any point, and inshallah we'll try to help them out in their buying or selling process. So these are the last year's stats in front of me, that there are 70,000 plus realtors in the market in all over Ontario right now, probably 78,000 to be exact. So last year there were 37% realtors who did not do a single deal. There were 47% who did less than 6 deals, and in this number, less than 6 means whoever did even 1 or 2 deals, that is part of those 47%. So that 37 plus 47 makes up to around 75%. So 75% of the industry is doing less than 6 deals in a year. So then 10% are those which are doing 1 deal a month, maximum 1 deal, 7 to 12 deals per year. So that is 10% of the market. Then there are 4%, 3.89 to be exact, who did 24 deals, 12 to 24, like 1 to 2 deals per month. Then that comes a prime area of this industry, that there are only 1% realtors who did 25% plus deals, and 0.63% who did 136 plus deals in 1 year. So numbers don't lie. So by the grace of God, we are trying to be these most sincere and honest with our clients, and as I said that our clients have so many expectations from us. Sometimes those expectations are realistic, sometimes they are not. So we need to come forward and educate our clients at that point that if your expectation is far beyond reality, then let us share our knowledge with you, and let's find out the best solution in your current scenario with you. So as I explained that these are the numbers for last year, and by the grace of God we have been among the top 1% realtor group in the whole industry for almost 7-8 years now. So this is a proven fact that Alhamdulillah we are trying to be as cooperative, as helpful, as sincere as possible to our clients. So now I come to your other question, that our referral platform that is called dhrewards.ca. That's what we launched few months ago, and response has been great so far, because this is God's plan, that if we work for Him, or if we work towards Him to help the humanity, God always helps you. So this is a platform which is created with this motivation for our clients, that they are not giving us anything from their pocket.
Yeah.
What we asking them is that give us referrals. So this will have multiple advantages. Number one, clients are if they are giving us the referrals, clients are taken care of properly. They are getting the best service available in the industry. Number two, whatever revenue we are earning, 10% of that we are spending to help the humanity through the industry leading charities, including Sick Kids, Humanity First, and Miracle Network. So specifically 2 areas we have identified: health and education. In education, we are planning to build schools or help the education in Africa through these revenues which we will earn through the referrals of our clients. 10% will be spent on those less privileged people through this platform, and also through Sick Kids and Children's Miracle Network on the health side of the need of this time. Those revenues are going there as well. And third benefit is that whoever is giving us the referral, he is also getting a gift card from Danish Homes once the deal is closed successfully. So as a gesture of appreciation and thankfulness and gratitude, we are giving them a gift card. Number 4 thing, we are negotiating the best services available in the market on our client's behalf. Let's suppose if the construction or renovation work is needed in a house and somebody is dealing with Danish Homes, the cost is $100. They are getting 10% discount from our affiliates through using this platform, that somebody trustworthy has referred them to us. So that service they are getting at $90. They are saving 10% from there as well. So there are so many other benefits as well. But as I mentioned, that positivity is very important in any role in the society. So especially in business, when we have to work, we need those strong and loyal affiliates and those clients as well, who think on the same lines as we are thinking. So like-minded people, when they get together, they can create a big difference. So I invite everybody that please come forward and let's make a difference. Instead of going thinking very low, just to think about yourself and your family, let's think in the broad spectrum and think about those who could not get this opportunity to maybe spend their lives in so much blessed way in Canada, which is one of the best country in the world. What is their fault? No fault. They are just this is God's grace that He has blessed us. So let's work together, let's help to let's join hands to help those who are in need of help. And as I mentioned, in these two sectors, education and health, we have to spend like hundreds of thousands of dollars through the referrals which you give us, and inshallah it will go many folds, and we will help those, and we will build a stronger community here in GTA as well through our services and through our loyal and sincere team, inshallah.
That's great. Danish Sahab, I must say that it is a very positive approach by Danish Homes, and it is one of the best ways to get back to your society and the people.
Inshallah.
My next question would be about that if I have to buy a home or if I have to sell my property. So as a layman, the first thing that comes into my mind that why Danish Homes rather than 75,000 realtors? What is the unique selling proposition of Danish Homes that differentiates them from the rest of the market? So I would like you to reflect upon it.
Okay. Jazakallah Suhail sir for asking this very important question. And as we mention our tagline, Danish Homes, think sold, think Danish Homes. Tagline is the premium home selling system. So when we have to make a system premium means above the standard and above the average, stand out of the crowd, there should be some value proposition which needs to be conveyed to a person, our prospective client, or our center of influence, or a layman. Our value proposition is based on three things: honesty, hard work, and knowledge. If honesty is not there, that business cannot survive for so long. Hard work is also important, that to join the pieces of the puzzle and make it a beautiful picture, we need to work hard. And that's what, by the grace of God, as a team, myself, Rizwan Saab, and also you are part of the team, and our other fellow members of Danish Homes, we are trying to make this system really the premium home selling system, which is based on honesty, hard work, and knowledge. Knowledge is the third category that comes, that needs to be distinguished by the clients, that who they are dealing with. This is not only a question that if somebody is selling or buying, they ask sometimes very minor questions, that how much will be the commission, and how much we will buy the house for, or something. This is very important, that we should have the knowledge of that market, and we should have the knowledge what we are really doing. If somebody, let's suppose, buys a property in an area which does not have good schools, which has crime rate very high, and which has some other factors which their living during their stay of that transaction, they will not really enjoy. What is the point that if they buy that property for a few $1,000s lower? That's where the knowledge comes from, that we have dealt with hundreds of clients, and sometimes people start comparing apples with oranges, that okay, somebody bought a cheaper thing. So they must have to realize that a thing is cheaper because of a reason, that nobody is ready to offer that price. Sometimes it's better to buy an expensive thing if we consider the value. I'm not saying that we have to buy a expensive thing, but just as an example. So knowledge means that if somebody is investing, then we need to come up with the stats, that what is the growth rate of that area, where that property will stand after 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, and for short term or long term, what our clients will be gaining, what will be the return on investment, and how enjoyable that move will be. So all these factors come with the knowledge, and by the grace of God, we have been we have been in the process, and we have learned those skills. We have gained that required knowledge which is necessary to be a successful partner with our clients to make their move from zero to bring them to the top, inshallah, and we'll continue this one, inshallah. So honesty, hard work, and knowledge is the value proposition of Danish Homes. So inshallah, we will continue that you will see that this is the premium home selling system. Think sold, think Danish Homes.
Thank you so much. Let's see what clients say about Danish Homes.
میرا نام علی ہے اور میں فرسٹ ٹائم ہوم بائر ہوں، اور میں دانش بھائی کو ایک دوست کے تھرو ملا اور انہوں نے مجھے بتایا ان کے بارے میں کہ پروفیشنل اور ہارڈ ورکنگ مین. سو میں نے ان سے ملاقات کی اور فرسٹ امپریشن میں انہوں نے مجھے کچھ ٹپس دی اور مجھے گائیڈ کیا، اور میں نے ان کو بہت اچھا پایا اس سلسلے میں کہ جیسے پروفیشنلی ایک بندہ کام کرتا ہے. اینڈ اس کے کچھ عرصے بعد انہوں نے مجھے کچھ گھر دکھائے، اور اس کے بعد ایک ٹرسٹ بلڈ ہوا میرے ان کے ساتھ. جس طریقے سے یہ کام کر رہے تھے مجھے اچھا لگا، جو ایک پرسیپشن بنی کہ ہی از اے گڈ مین اینڈ ہارڈ ورکنگ اینڈ پیشنیٹڈ، اور انہوں نے آؤٹ آف دا وے جا کے میری اس میں ہیلپ کی. فائنلی مجھے ایک گھر پسند آیا، اور اس گھر کے اوپر مجھے انہوں نے بیسکلی بینگ اے ہوم فرسٹ ٹائم ہوم بائر آئی ایم ناٹ ویری مچ اویئر آف دا تھنگس. سو انہوں نے مجھے ٹیچ کیا کہ یہ ایسے اس کی ایچ اینڈ ایوری تھنگ نے مجھے بتایا. دین آفٹر میں نے پھر ان کے بتائے ہوئے پروسیجرز کو فالو کیا، اور انہوں نے بہت ہارڈ ورکنگ اور بہت زیادہ محنت کے ساتھ اس کو پائے تک میل تک پہنچایا. اور میں ان کی اس سارے پروسیس، لیگل پروسیسز اور ایوری تھنگ سے بہت زیادہ مطمئن ہوں، اور مجھے ایسی کوئی بھی چیز نظر نہیں آئی فرام بگننگ ٹو اینڈ کہ جس پہ میں پوائنٹ کر سکوں کہ ہی از ناٹ اے پروفیشنل یا انہوں نے کچھ ایسا کیا. اور سب سے اچھی بات یہ تھی کہ جب بھی شوئنگ کے لیے خود آئے اور انہوں نے مجھے تھورلی ہر چیز دکھائی اور میرے ہر کویسچن کا جواب دیا جو میرا اس گھر کے ریلیٹڈ تھا. اور سب سے جو فیئر چیز تھی کہ ہر چیز ریٹن آن پیپر تھی، اور اس میں کچھ بھی ہڈن نہیں تھا، اور فرام بگننگ ٹو اینڈ ہم نے ہر چیز آن پیپر کیا اور انہوں نے اس کو فلفل کیا. سو دیٹ از اندر وے آف پروفیشنلزم جو کہ مجھے بہت امپریسو لگا، کہ انہوں نے یہ نہیں کبھی کہا آپ چلے جائیں میں نہیں آ سکتا یا ہوگا ایٹسیٹرا ایٹسیٹرا. سو انہوں نے مجھے ایسے ہی ٹریٹ کیا جیسے کہ فرسٹ ٹائم بائر کو ٹریٹ کرنا چاہیے. میں نے شروع سے لے کے اینڈ تک جو پروسیس ہوا ساری رسپانسبلٹیز انہوں نے خود اٹھائیں، جو کہ ایز اے پروفیشنل ان کا رائٹ، ان کا فرض تھا، اور انہوں نے وہ فرض پورا کیا. اور مجھے شروع سے لے کے آخر تک کوئی ایسی ہیڈ ایک یا ٹینشن نہیں ملی کہ جو کہ میں ہینڈل نہ کر سکتا. اور دوسرا یہ کہ میں نے ڈفرینٹ پلیسز پہ ایڈس دیکھے کہ اگر آپ نے گھر خریدنا ہے تو اس کے 12 اسٹیپس ہوتے ہیں. دا فرسٹ اسٹیپ یہ ہے کہ آپ کال کریں، اور اس کے بعد جو باقی 11 اسٹیپس ہیں وہ خود ہینڈل کر لیں گے، اور ایسا ہی ہوا میرے ساتھ. اور اس میں کسی قسم کا کوئی ابہام نہیں ہے. دانش ہوم کی جو ساری ٹیم ہے وہ ہارڈ ورکنگ ہے، اپنا کام پوری طرح سے کرتے ہیں اور پروفیشنلی کرتے ہیں، اور مجھے ان سے کوئی کمپلین نہیں. اور میں ریکمینڈ کرتا ہوں اسٹرانگلی کہ آپ ان سے ضرور سروسز لیں، اور انشاءاللہ یو فائنڈ کہ یہ بہت بہتر اور پروفیشنل انسان ہے. So Danish Homes is a place where the professional works together.
Rizwan Sahab, I would like to ask you a very important question that we have seen that the market is really fired up, it's really hot, it's over competitive situation going on, there are multiple bids and offers for a single property. So what strategy you guys employ to acquire the property for your clients?
Thank you, Sohail, and thank you to Y Media for inviting me to this program again. Salam, namaste, sat sri akal, peace and blessings be upon you all. It's a very important question in this situation that we are in. My advice is the best strategy is to get yourself prepared. And how can you get yourself prepared? We have different steps in the home buying and selling process. So I'll just go through little bit about how this can be achieved. Number one point is being pre-approved. So buying a house or looking for a house and maybe put an offer on that house, that's very easy, but what's difficult is to qualify for that mortgage. So especially in these circumstances where there is some uncertainty in the economy as well, some people have lost some jobs, some people are self-employed, some are not working with SERP payments and stuff. So all these different situations require different different aspects of looking at one person's situation, right? So what we do is to get yourself pre-approved, we sit with you, we look at different options. We first set a criteria that okay, this is the amount that you will be qualified for, and for that we have our in-house mortgage personnel who will guide you through the process as well, who will work on your file and get you that pre-approval, and who will fight for you to get you the best rates. So that's the one thing. Second thing is that you have to have the money in hand, right? So the deposit should be readily available. So because whenever you put an offer on a home, it's usually required within 24 hours. So deposit should be there ready. Some people are not very aware of that. So we sit with them and we educate them about this as well. Third thing is down payment. So we need to see where the down payment is sitting. We have to arrange that as well. How much are you putting towards your home? So we need to see that scenario as well. And there are different strategies that we talk about there. Fourth is to manage a reserve fund, manage and keep a reserve fund, because there are some uncertain costs attached to buying or selling a home as well, like moving cost, maybe if you have a home already, breaking a mortgage that's already there, there could be plenties there. Then there are adjustments of realty taxes or maintenance fees at the time of closing if it's a condo. So there are different things that could be there. So you need to manage that fund. And also then once you move in that house, you will buy new furniture or maybe some household things. So you will have to have those funds available. So that's a very important thing as well, to manage these things. So apart from these as well, we have different strategies that will get us that home that we want, even in this situation. Even if there are bidding going on, if we have 5 or 7 offers, we are very confident that we have some strategies in place that will get our clients the home they want.
That's great, and this strategy could be employed when you have the experience and we have done these transactions again and again, as we had done it many times in the past.
Yeah.
Last question, Rizwan Saab, if you could give us a snapshot of the market stats, what's going on in the market in terms of the sales price and the volume of the sales.
Yes, so I will talk a little bit about the market in June. Last time when I was here, I spoke about the market in April and in May as well, and a little bit about June. So my assumption was that in June there will be around 7,000 to 8,000 sales. So actually there were more than that. So total sales in June were 8,700, which were are 48% more than the sales in May. So you can see the difference. In just 1 month, there is about 50% increase in sales, and that COVID effect in April and May is just gone now. If you look at the price, if we look at first, we will look at year over year. So last year in June, the average price of a home was $831,000. This time in June, it's $931,000. So it's $100,000 more. Yeah, so that's a big jump. And even if you compare it with May as well, you can see there is about 7.2% increase in the price, because in May the average price of a home was $864,000. So not only sales, prices have increased rapidly as well. If you look at days on market, in June there were average days on market 18 days for a property to be on the market, and in May there were 24. So you can see there is about 6 days difference on average. So that's increment as well. And if you look at the listings, I'm just going to give you an example of Brampton generally. In this month there are about 800 listings right now in Brampton. Last year there were 1600. So the listing ratio has decreased as well. So it just shows that market is very hot right now.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Thank you so much, Danish Chaudhary and Rizwan Sadiq Saab, taking out your precious time. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for having me.
You are watching Channel Y. Channel Y, a South Asian Canadian channel.
First, we went to the Royal Bank to get it our mortgage. At that time, we told that we don't have any real estate agent. One of the representatives, they recommend Danish Homes. So then at the instant I talked with them, then they made an appointment and they came to our home. And then we told our requirements, conveniences, and a nice neighborhood, because we were living very close to the Mississauga Road. So we want all the same standard we expect, and then we went many houses, maybe 20-25 houses, 1 week period, and finally we selected 2 of that, and then ultimately we decided we are going with the house we purchased. Yeah, of course, definitely they are honest and transparency. And they did from buying and selling, because we didn't have any agent for selling our home also. So they did all the process for us, and they did all these evaluations in the neighborhood, and they did all yeah, that is unique home is that they are negotiating skills, and they have trustworthiness, and then when we sell house to get the best market value, changes whatever, putting pot lights and then staging as required, because they put nice furniture, and then they put nice chandeliers, nice curtains, and all those setups. And comparatively, they did an excellent job to get the best value for our house. Yeah, of course, definitely, because we recommend them, because they had good system of selling houses exactly what the customer wants, and honestly and transparency, whatever the questions they have, they help solving the client's requirements. They negotiated with the other side agents, and the price you want. Actually, I asked the match the price, so they helped me to get that target. Ultimately, the seller agreed to sell at that price. We had that opportunity of the brand new house with the complete basement from the builder. In that case, Danish Home helped us to get our target, and ultimately that seller agreed to sell at the price we want. Yeah, they have an excellent team of helping each other from buying and selling both. They have complete range of systems to help the clients and to get the best value for your money. Actually, they are excellent system. We could buy the house we targeted without any headache or any barriers. So they have complete system of helping the clients.